looking left, looking right, thinking, what's this elevator trying to prove? I sighed dramatically, tapped my foot, looked at everybody else. Then an old lady smiled and whispered, honey, did you push the button yourself? I looked at the wall, I looked at the light, I looked at my shoes like maybe if I stayed long enough, the elevator would just feel inspired. Oh, maybe the problem wasn't the elevator. Push the button, take the first step. Life won't always read your mind. Stop waiting, start moving. See what happens this time. One small choice can change a story. One brave step can change a day. Push the button, keep on smiling. You'd be amazed how far you'll go. A hotel concierge walked over with the nicest smile I'd seen. He said, excuse me, my friend, the elevator works beautifully. Tiny pause once somebody presses the button. Everybody started laughing, even I had to smile. Yesterday was teaching lessons with a little extra style. Sometimes we stand there waiting, wondering what went wrong. Then life quietly reminds us we've had the answer all along. Push the button, take the first step. Life won't always read your mind. Stop waiting, start moving. See what happens this time. One small choice can change a story. One brave step can change a day. Push the button, keep believing. Your next chapter starts today. Can I tell you something? Maybe today felt like nothing worked. Maybe you've been waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity, the perfect timing. Maybe life is simply waiting for you to take that first little step. Sometimes the biggest doors open because of the smallest decision. Push the button, take the first step. Leave those worries yesterday. Doors keep opening when you keep hoping. Every sunrise brings a brand new day. Oh, laugh together, dance forever. Don't let fear decide your way. Push the button, keep believing. Your next chapter starts today. Hey, thank you for spending these few minutes with me. If today didn't go the way you planned, that's okay. Bad days end. Embarrassing moments become funny stories. Tomorrow is another sunrise, another chance, another beginning. And before you go,
Don't forget,
your laugh is beautiful.
share it with somebody.
The world could use a little more joy today. Leave smiling.
Come back anytime.
Oh,